to this video. In this video, we're going to do what is called joining of paths. You know, when we did what we did here was this our path that is here. This is the absolute path to a particular file. The file name is this peter.txt. Let's say in a situation we have this file as part one, with from here to this place as part one of the file, and this other guy is the part two of the file. Okay, let's do something like that. Let me assume this guy is to be part one. And let me, in this part one, let me remove this .txt here. Like I can assume part two, and then I'm going to give you this peter.txt. So here I'm going to join the two parts together. And how can we join two parts together? Just basically simple. We can say os.join. Sorry, is os.path.join. So what do you want to join? I want to join that of part one and what's part two. So when I'm done joining it, now I can read the part. So let me try reading the part. I can use, let me say val, let me start in a variable. I've explained all this. I say open. It's open. I'm going to select a mode that I want to read as. The mode I want to read. Then I can say print. Not confusing. After what we did, I've talked about writing to a particular file, but right now we're going to do reading. Like I said, R stand for read mode. So let's run this. You can see I was able to get hello, welcome to EasyKit. If I go to that file, this is the file which is named Peter. If I go make say hello, welcome to EasyKit. That's basically we read the file and then we got the output. You can see by just joining two files together. In a situation, this is really helpful in a situation where we want to store our files in a particular folder. Maybe we know the root folder. We can just store the root folder as part one, and then the subdirectory we can store it as part two, and then we can join them later on, and then voila, we can write and you can read and write to that file. That's just basically it. We can also split the files. We can also say part the split. When we say it's going to split the part, so no need of me reading. Let me just print it out so we'll see what we are dealing with. You can say print. Let's see. Split this one positional argument, but two were given. Sorry. Let me join the part first. I can say join. Let me just copy this. It's going to be a little bit similar, but here is going to be join. So I can say join, and inside there, let me move this. Or directly, I can actually leave it like this, but let me write join here. Join here. So let's write. You can see we get the parts splitted into two. This was like what we did here. This was the first guy and this was the second guy. As you can see here, this is the first guy and this is the second guy. Just splitted our parts. The main file is being brought out, and then the part to that file is being separated from the file from the name of the file or the file itself. That's what this split actually does. I can also this guys into here, but let's just keep it simple like this. So I hope this what I did here is not a kind of magic. What I did here was just to join this part one and part two, so it will become a single part. And then when I did here was just to split the two and join together, and then this is what we got. So this is basically what I was to do in this video, which is called joining and splitting of file parts. So I think we have come to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.